What?
Gonna like grind some Bed Wars or some?
No, fuck off.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Why am I falling so much? No bed fence, they're rushing. You're
Good
both
job.
gay for going so high.
Hey, he's the one that kept going up, and then I just followed.
He was just trying to catch up to you, Lucky. Nice. Half a heart.
Hmm? What you playing at? It wasn't even close. Yeah, red team just completely ignore me, man. That's the best way to deal with this. Good job, dude.
Alright, not gonna lie, Alco's bed fence, a little bit beefy, but they have like 2 emeralds. Let's see how this goes. There's a good chance. Oh, one's kind of pushing us right now. I hit him into the void. Nice.
Okay, yeah, they have Bobby. I think I'm fine. No one's here. They both just left. Yeah, I have it.
Oh, he fell. He sucks.
Perfect.
Nice. Darwin's also at our base again. We're really hungry for a bed. I couldn't tell you why.
Hmm. Interesting. Oh. Oh.
Jeez.
I mean, bro got the bed, but at what cost?
Total YouTube rank when? Wait, how much is for YouTube rank?
30K.
It's like, oh, GG's.
Well, I'm a third of the way there, almost. I have a pickaxe.
Oh.
This one went up the stairs. He actually has a brain. He's also on 4 though, so. Buddy. Okay.
No. 735. Nice.
Yeah. He didn't even get out of the shop fast enough to hit me one time.
I'd say go for white.
Pink's kind of going for us.
I got prop for us here.
Okay. Could get us P2 after.
Never mind. So good at clicking. You know where they are?
Yeah. Well, one. Oh, I see him. And GG's. Turtle cry.
You know what's funny? You know what's funny?
Your face.
Funny?
Your
You know what's
face.
funny?
Your
You know what's
face.
funny?
Your face.
Wanna
Your
know
face.
what's funny?
Your face. Your
Give me
face.
iron! You know what's funny?
Your face.
Okay. I am not defending that.
Yeah, I'm defending, but I don't know what you're sitting in the gen for 3
I'm
years
not
for,
ready.
bro. This is orchestra.
I just bought both tools because yes, on some
I
didn't make it better for
fell. Yeah, I don't recommend
my
that one.
god, they actually yeah. Bed's gone. I'm dead.
He's still mining the bed defense that's already been mined before.
He's so smart.
You're fine.
He's a genius. He's a genius.
It's the man, the myth, the legend himself, a yellow team.
I'm on 3 hearts though. He's
Yeah?
not chasing me.
Just run, bro.
Okay, we got distracted by the shiny things in Gen. He's like, I'm gonna go for that.
I like how yellow just instantly throws down an end stone bed defense and bridges to us. Okay, why am I getting cross-mapped by gray team, bro? What did I do to you?
I didn't let his teammate final kill me.
Oh, he's cheating.
You got that, he said. That's all you.
Green!
He said.
Green, you fag.
What have been playing if you died to fall damage then?
Are you dead? Oh.
Yeah, I've been dead.
Oh. I didn't notice.
Hypixel's like saying no now. Let's try a game of this. Ah, I'm back. Blue has a sharp diamond, probably pot 3 or 4 now. And he just fell.
Nice pearl, bro.
Yeah, teammate, you suck. Teammate sucks. You can get both. Please, like, save one for me. Please. Or at least, or die and get both of them so I can get both. Never mind.
Box
I'm thinking void.
6.
Also, no, no.
Based off my previous experiences with this, how well do you think this is gonna go?
Are you down to play, or are you only doing duos? Are you only doing duos right now, or you want to do trees?
What is there? Did they bring back nostalgia?
I just died. I don't know. I can't bridge diamonds. It's saying no to me. Toto, I kind of need an answer so I can know open up the party or not. Oh wait, I'm not party leader.
You're not the party leader, bro.
Make me party leader.
Yeah, that I'm not doing.
Bruh. Alright, buddy.
Okay, buddy.
Okay, buddy. Oh wait, no, I probably shouldn't. Yellow went mid. There's a high chance they have Obby. Who's that? Just green? Where is green?
Getting tossed.
I found green. Did you just...
That's what I watched.
I can't recall. I'm not gonna lie.
Okay, I'll pull up a clip of it. I clipped it. Don't worry.
Right. Okay.
You hit him back. Fuck. Okay, he's gone.
Alright, nice. Split. he's toggling. He's like, hold on, let me enable everything real quick.
Fuck.
Making their way over to you. They're getting there.
Yeah, well, I kind of need their TNT because I don't have an axe.
Watch, Blue's gonna hit me. Watch.
Blue, place the tent. Place the tent, Blue. L placement, but okay. Blue. Oh my, Blue. Get him, Bird. Oh.
Nice.
You won. I thought you were the red guy for a second. I don't know why. What a
Oh my God, there's
amazing
no diamonds
commentator,
here.
guys. We should all gift him a
I'm
sub.
not gonna. No, there's no diamonds here because blue took it. No, I'm in at second place by falling into the void, like every single time. Like I could be like the game could be given to me in my hands, and I'll like completely sell it by falling in the void or something.
Yeah, that sounds like something Laxit would do.
Or I'd die my first rush. Hello. Can you like go somewhere other than your base? And other than up? See, the thing is, right? I also have blocks, and I can also go up.
Oh, you have some really horny looking men on you.
Come on, come on! I almost had it. I don't even sell it. Like I just seem to lose bet early. My teammates totally
leave me
die,
alone.
and then I lose like a 1v3. Sounds like
Oh.
Hypixel Bedwars. That might be a problem. You might be playing on Hypixel Bedwars. I don't know.
And GG's.
Oh, GG's.
Yo, I gotta... Now instead of falling after building 5 blocks, he's gonna fall after building 1.
It's funny. So,
Okay, that ink. I got clipped on the Neo.
W Turtle indeed. What's wrong with this song? Stop bullying my playlist.
Okay, I killed both of them, so be proud of me.
I'm proud of you.
Thank you. Okay, that guy's kind of low. I have gold pick.
No, it's wood underneath.
The fuck?
Get the bed. I'm gonna get this guy. No, I'm not. Okay, yeah, I am.
Fuck.
I'm getting fucked! I'm getting owned! What the hell? He's a 55 star.
Oh, it's open.
Alright, let's go
I bought a
back.
T2 pick and not an axe again. I'm gonna shoot someone.
Into the game, right?
Yeah, in the game.
Oh,
100%.
yes. W. W. Okay, you got the other one. Please tell me, dude. Thank you, Turtle. Let's go.
You're welcome. I know. I'm the
So
best.
good. Oh my god, I'm gonna crash out. I can't do this stupid thing called bridging. It's the worst thing in the world.
Okay, red is genuinely either the GOAT or they're cheating their dicks off.
You know, I was gonna say Hypixel should get rid of the void, but they have a mode called Voidless, and it's the stupidest thing I've ever seen in my life. So, like, never mind. Thank you for making the void. Kinda. I think my problem with the void is that it's mental because, like, it takes forever for you to die in the actual void itself. And it taunts you! It taunts you! It's like, ha, you found the void, now you gotta wait. And then you gotta wait this 5 seconds to cool down.
Think.
Do they? I can't tell.
Oh, that's
They
just
don't.
the helmet. Nice hit,
It's
Reg.
just the helmet. Alright, I can get us prot. Bro, please build faster.
Yeah, I just like I
Slash
placed a
down
bunch
the
of
back.
blocks in front of him. He kind of had a little crash out.
Oh, that's hilarious.
It's open, dude. You've got to be kidding me.
They could have Oppie, by the way.
Well, I'm about to go find out because I'm not sitting here around and waiting for 9 gold.
Might get us Oppie. Oh, Pearl. Our bet's probably gone if that was to us.
Okay, yeah, you were right about this dude being trash, and you were also right about them having obby.
Alright, I'm gonna get us obby then. Oh, that's why I didn't see our way out. Oh, that makes sense. We haven't. Question mark? Do we have P3 yet?
No. I can buy it in a second. I have their bed.
Alright, nice.
Blocked into the woods, so there's nothing they can do. Oh. Well, we're halfway to P4. Good job. Oh, yeah, I got one. Nice. I'm gonna avoid.
It's unnecessary obby, but like I spent so long, so hard trying to get it, so.
Exactly. Alright, halfway to P4 in chess, but honestly, I don't think this game's...
How many finals do you have?
2.
Alright, we're tied on finals.
Dibs. Haha, I got it.
Top mountain for the stars, I be living in it. Yeah, I be living in it. To be honest, my emotions, they be tripping in it. Yeah, whoa,